Welcome back, friends. Now in today's tutorial we are going to see how best we can draw this basic 2D drawing. It's a bit tricky, so we need to pay more attention, but it's very simple so that we can do it. Okay, so let's get our dimension. Now if you check this diameter over here, there's a circle here and the diameter for the circle is 24. Okay, you can see 2 hyphen diameter 24, meaning this circle and this circle, they are all having the same radius. Now if you look at this inner smaller circle here, it's also having a diameter of 10. All right, and then this is having a diameter of 48. Easy to do. And the center to center distance from this point to this point is 32. Here to here to 32, and from here to this side is 72. Now you can see there's a straight line at this quadrant. From here to this part is 30 millimeters. Okay, and at this place it is inclined at an angle of 20 degrees. Okay, all right. Now if you look at this slope is having a height of 56 and it's at an angle of 78. So we will see how we will do it in AutoCAD. It's very simple. So without wasting my time, let's open AutoCAD and start drawing. So I'll draw this circle, diameter 24. So pick center diameter, click anywhere, enter 24, zoom out. I'll draw the second one, 48, same center diameter, enter 48. Okay, and now this one, I'll draw this one. It's at a distance of 32 from here. So I'll just, so you draw it, that is diameter 10. Let's pick, so just pick, click on center diameter. Now bring the cursor to the center and then just drag, okay, to your left side, enter 32 for the distance. So 32, and then the diameter is 10, so enter 10. Okay, and then this part you can copy. This one you can copy from, yeah, they can copy this circle, which will be 32 plus 32, it will be 64. So let's copy this one, select it, CO for copy shortcut, and then just drag to your left, enter 64. Good. Now let's continue from the top. You can see there's a line coming 30, so just pick a line command, click here, and then just come, enter 30. All right, now if you watch, okay, so before we continue from this side, we can do it. So let's do it. So from, you can see there's an angle of 20 here. Okay, now I've already told you AutoCAD read angle anti-clockwise, so which means this angle is on a straight line like this, horizontal angle, which is 180. So 180 minus 20 will give us 160. Okay, that is how you get this 20. So just go up something like this. Let me just reduce the side. Just go up something like this, and then press your tab to shift to the angle column, and then enter 160. Okay, so from this side you can see your angle will be 20. So let's just draw a line here and then measure. You see we have the angle 20 formed here. You can see. Good. So that is it. So let's continue from the down. Now this, from this side to this side, 72. So we pick a line from here, go 72. Okay, and now this 72 also is having, it's inclined at an angle of 78 degrees from here. Okay, so also it is inclined, and on the same angle, on the same 180, you have to do it 180, that is angle 180 minus 78, and it's going to give us 102. So the angle formed over here will be 102 from this 180. So just press your tab and then enter 102. and then your angle will be formed. Okay, now I hope you understand. The angle is reading from this place 0. Let's assume, let me just create an example here. So assuming I have this quadrant, and good. Now here is 0. The AutoCAD is reading from this side going. So here is 0. Angle from this side to this side is 90 degrees. So here will be 90. Then from this point to this point will be 180. So angle formed on this straight line is 180. And now we want 78 from this place. So we want 78 from at this side, from the down here to the top. So since we know from this place to this side is 180, we just have to subtract the angle we want from here from the total angle, which is 180, and we will get the angle from here. Okay, so that is it. So now from here, you see that height of this is 56. So we will use a straight line, which will help us. Click the line command, just track it from here, and then we can even track from the top so that it will be easy, because this is the angle. So let's track from the top here, click, and come down. It's supposed to be, no, let's start from the down since it's the base. So you track from here and go up. It's supposed to be 56. You press enter. Okay, so this is the height. This is supposed to be the height, but look at where this thing is. So because of that, let's delete it. Click the line command again, make sure they are meeting somewhere here at the tip. Good, and then you click and then draw height of 56 and you press enter. So now we just have to reduce this one to the end of this one. All right, okay, so we have it. And now from here there's a straight line going from here touching this one. So pick the line from here, just go wherever it meets, that is it. So now you trim the unnecessary lines. You don't need this one. Good, and even this one, you don't need this one. Okay, so now what you're going to do to this circle, if you watch, there's a line separating. So let's draw that line from the quadrant to the center point. And also this one too will have the same angle with this one because they are parallel lines. So I'll just enter the tab key for my angle of 102. Okay, so it will meet here. So with this one, I just have to draw a straight line from the quadrant to meet this line here. Now let's trim the unwanted portion. Okay, so all right, now no, it seems we copied the wrong circle. So we are supposed to actually copy this circle instead of the bigger one. So this one, copy, the distance is 64. So 64. Good, so that is it. Let's trim. Let's trim. Okay. So now you can see. All right. So now you can see our work is almost done. We have nothing more to do, so we just have to dimension. Okay, so for the dimension, I'll create a layer and then I'll dimension. So let me increase my line width and let me create a layer for my dimension. So I'll just click new, then give it a name, change the color to this. let me use this one. Okay, then I'll just use 0.25. okay, and close it. Make that layer active, and now let's dimension our work. So I'll pick linear, and then I'll start from here. You see 56, also linear again, center to this center. Was it giving like that? Yeah, center to center. So if you watch, this center to this point, 32. Again, repeat here to here, 32. And then from here, I think from here to the center, 72. And we have diameter for this, 48. Yeah, I think that is it. And then there's one more at the top here, that is from this quadrant to this side, 30. And yeah, that is all for our linear. So let's go with the angle. We have angle this point to this point, 76. And then again here to here, 20. Okay, and then let's go with the diameter. Let's pick the diameter for this one, 10. And then this one is 24. All right, so this is what we are supposed to do. And please, if today is your first time of visiting the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel for more videos and projects like this in AutoCAD. Don't forget to share, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I'll attend to it. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next tutorial.